Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy GMC's 2001 to 2010 Silverado and Sierra 2500 HD. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove or lift your cap out of the way. Remove your fuel tank. On each end of your factory crossmember, there will be a nut and a rivet you will need to remove. Begin by removing the bolts with a 15mm socket and wrench. Then, cut out the rivets. You can punch out the rivets using a punch. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Hold your replacement forward fuel tank crossmember up to where your factory crossmember was originally located. The tongue on your crossmember should be facing towards the rear of your vehicle. Once you have your crossmember in place, take the included hardware and screw them into place where your rivets were originally located. Then, tighten your hardware with a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your fuel tank. Then you're done.